Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use an egg slicer for boiled eggs. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a boiled egg right over here. Okay, this is a hard boiled egg. And I have this egg slicer. Now, the way that the egg slicer works is very simple. There are these slots right here. And it's hard to see, but on this, there are these little strands. And these are the strands that are so thin and strong that they will slice through the boiled egg. So what you want to do is take your boiled egg and open up the egg slicer first off. So you can see it's open. When you close it, the strands go in the slots. Okay, and that's how it slices through. So you want to open up your egg slicer, place your egg there, and you can place it this way or this way. It's really up to you. I usually place it this way because it kind of looks like, for this one at least, you're going to get better slices because that's the way it looks like it's laid out to be. Place the boiled egg down on the egg slicer. Then you want to take your top end with the strands on it, as you can see right here, and we're going to slowly and nicely just use it to slice through the egg. So you can see right here, it's actually slicing through just like that. Make sure you apply a good amount of pressure and it's going to slice through the egg. The hardest part is getting through that first part right there. Then once you get through the top part, it becomes really easy. And then you just push it down all the way. And what you have here is a fully sliced egg. Check this out. Look at these slices. Okay, look at that. Oh, look at that goodness. Completely sliced through. Makes it really easy. What you can do now if you want to is you can lift up the egg like this. Okay, open it up again. And you can now place it in the opposite direction if you want. Okay, and now you can slice it this way too, and you can give it a sort of like a cross slicing. So I can slice it this way now, and we're going to get these tiny little cubes almost that allow us to, you can use it for something like an egg salad or something like that. So that's completely up to you. I'm going to personally leave it like this because I want to eat my boiled egg like this, but it works really, really well. As you can see, all the slices are completely sliced through, and they're sliced through really, really cleanly and really, really straight. So it really is something that works really well in my opinion. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.